Have you ever thought of connecting a wireless dynamic microphone to your Obsbot Tail Air web camera? And at the same time, have you thought of connecting a Bluetooth earphone to the device where you will be opening the Obsbot app? Will it work? Well, let's find out in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let me show you the things we will need. First of all, this is the Obsbot Tail Air. And this is the box for that. And this dynamic wireless microphone, and this is what the box looks like. So it's a wireless dynamic microphone, and this is what it is. And this one here comes when I get this wireless dynamic microphone. And this one here, this cable comes with this Obsbot Tail Air. This is a portable charger, and this is the Bluetooth earphone I will be connecting to this device where I'll be opening the Obsbot application. First, what we will do is we will connect this dynamic wireless microphone to the Obsbot Tail Air. So from here, find the mic port, so this one right there. Let's connect this 3.5 millimeter jack to this Obsbot Tail Air. So just locate the mic port, which is over here. So connect one end there, and then you should have something like this. Connect the other end to here. As I said, this came with this wireless dynamic microphone. Okay, from here we will connect this one to a power source or a power bank. There it is. Okay, and now if you want to charge your Obsbot Tail Air while you are maybe doing recording or streaming, I don't really advise you connect this one to the same power bank because there is an electrical interference. So I suggest connect this to a different source. Maybe use a block, the one that you use to charge your devices, maybe to your phones. So pretty self-explanatory. Connect this end USB-C to here, and then the other end, the USB-A, connected to a power source, maybe another power bank. Okay, so in this case, we will not be charging this one as this is not low battery. I believe this is still full battery or fully charged, so we will not be connecting this one. And this one here, the Bluetooth earphone, we'll be connecting this one to this device as this is the device we will be opening the Obsbot application. To connect this Bluetooth earphone to this device where we will be opening the Obsbot app, you connect them as normal. Go to the settings on this device, turn on Bluetooth, and find the name of this earphone to here. And it says here TWS V5.5.3 is connected already. So it's now connected. So from here, let's open the Obsbot app from here. Okay, and there it is. So as you notice, I've already opened the Obsbot app from here, and this one is already turned on. And let me show you that this microphone works. So you should be able to see it from here. There should be some signal right there once I turn on this microphone. So right now, I am currently using my lavalier microphone right there. And so that's why you will not hear anything. Okay, so again, from here, I'll be turning on this wireless dynamic microphone, and you should be able to see some green lights over here. So which means it should pick up my voice from this dynamic wireless microphone. So right now it's still off. So there you go, sound check, sound check. So as you can see, there is no green light blinking over there because this dynamic microphone is still off. Okay, from here, I'm gonna turn on this dynamic microphone. Okay, sound check, testing 1, 2, there you go. So as you can see, you see those lights over there. So that means that it is picking up the audio from here. And if you're going to use this earphone, as you recall, I've connected this earphone to this iPhone earlier, which means if I'm going to put it on to my ear, I should be able to hear my voice as well. Okay, so anyway, this is pretty much how to connect your dynamic wireless microphone to your Obsbot Tail Air web camera. I'm going to show you some samples. So what I did was I went out of the house and I placed this camera at my window. So in other words, there is a barrier in between. So me and then the glass from window glass of my house, and then this Obsbot Tail Air being inside the house. Okay, let me show you that part. Okay, there it is. So this is now a sample. So in this setup right now, I am currently outside of my house and there is a glass in between us. with a Obsbot Tail Air camera or web camera. It's actually 7:45 at night at my place right now. And I know it's almost summer, and that's why it's still clear outside. So in this setup right now, I am currently using this Bluetooth earphone that I'm using connected to this phone, where I'm opening the Obsbot Tail Air app so I can monitor myself. And plus, this wireless dynamic microphone is currently connected to the Obsbot Tail Air. So the other part of this wireless dynamic microphone is currently connected to the Tail Air over there. Okay, so right now there are a few things that I wanted to point out. So to monitor the audio, if you are going to go to press this three dots over there, and if you go to built-in mic, so just make sure to turn it off. So that, like that one over there, because if this is turned on, then you are not using this microphone. So you need to turn that off. Now, if you go to audio settings, so in here, make sure to tap the headphone so that it should show something like that. Otherwise, if it is something like that, you will not be able to hear, or you will not be able to hear your voice through your headphones. So make sure to tap that so that you can monitor your audio. Okay, right now, noise reduction is being turned off. And as you notice, there are cars passing by. Perhaps you can hear that noise. Anyway, let me maybe set my noise reduction to number 1. And this is the audio like turning on or setting the noise reduction number 1. Okay, let's set it to number 2. Okay, right now this is noise reduction is set to number 2. And that is your audio output. Okay, sound check. Okay, here are cars coming. So maybe let's set it still to number 2 so you can hear if it picks up those voice. There it is. It's pretty loud. I can hear it. I don't know if it's being recorded too, but I'm going to listen to it later. Okay, and from here, let's set the noise reduction up to the max. Okay, right now, noise reduction is number 3 or the max. Okay, as you can see behind me, there are cars passing by. And from here, you are able to see and find out if it does pick up those cars passing by behind me. Okay, there it is. And again, this is pretty much the setup. If you will be connecting an earphone or Bluetooth earphone connected to your phone where you're opening the Obsbot app, and plus connecting this wireless dynamic microphone. In my opinion, maybe this is a good setup if you will be using this kind of microphone to maybe interview someone, or maybe you're doing reporting outside or wherever you are. I just wanted to show you that, yes, it is possible to connect this wireless dynamic microphone to your Obsbot Tail Air web camera. Maybe let's do a quick sample from here. Okay, so right now I'm just going to walk for a little bit and just see if it does follow me. Okay, so from here, I'm just walking over here. Okay, there it is, and it does follow me. Okay, there you go. And okay, lots of cars are passing by, as you noticed. I know it's nighttime already, but they are still awake, I guess. Okay, there it is. Okay, so again, this is the setup. If you will be connecting a wireless dynamic microphone to your Obsbot Tail Air web camera. And there you go. As you notice, it does work. So right now, whatever you're listening to, this is the audio output using this kind of microphone. I should say this is actually pretty cool. You're like a real reporter. Let's say act like a reporter or newscaster, or as I said, this is maybe good if you will be interviewing someone. Instead of using a lavalier or something like this, or those little ones, maybe it's kind of formal using this kind of microphone. But anyway, whatever content you are making, if you are planning of using this kind of wireless dynamic microphone, there you have it. So now you know that it is possible to connect a dynamic wireless microphone, something like this one right now, to your Obsbot Tail Air, maybe when you're doing your streaming or any content at all that you are making, as long as you are planning in using this kind of microphone. Well, that is all I can share for today. Again, I want to thank Obsbot for sending me this web camera for me to make videos on this. And for those of you who will be interested in getting one of this Obsbot Tail Air web camera, I will be adding a link under the description along with the discount code. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like. And if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.